Comedy entertainment, everybody will enjoy it, everybody will have fun.
He's a wonderful person and he's a very, very good actor. He's very hardworking.
As everybody knows in the industry, they're fantastic people.
And I could not come initially for the promotions because I was just completing that.
Selfie Raja is releasing on 15th of July. And as always expected from Naresh, from every movie of Naresh, that it's going to be a real entertainment. So we had a tour, city tours in 3 cities, Vizag, Vijayawada and Warangal. So we got a very good response from everywhere, and it was fantastic. People loved the concept that we are releasing each song in different cities, and in fact the full song. So they really enjoyed watching it. This is my second movie with Naresh and Sai Karthik Garu and AK Entertainments. It's always like previous also, it was lovely working with them. AK Entertainments, as everybody knows in the industry, they're fantastic people. They take care of their artists and the crew and everyone. So I'm really happy that they again gave me the opportunity to work here. And Sai Karthik Garu, I mean, his movie music is so fantastic. The last time also, I got so happy that I got such good songs in James Bond as well as in this movie. 2 fantastic songs I got, Kolutalu and Bumper Offer. Beautiful songs they are. Loved dancing on them. So thank you, Sai Karthik Garu. Naresh is he's always wonderful, to work with. Such a comfortable, he makes you very comfortable and everything while working. And now we have a very good rapport, as it is our second movie that we're working on. So it has been pretty fantastic. Ishwar Garu, director, sir. So it is my first time that I'm working with him, and I feel that he's a very simple guy behind the set. But whenever he comes on the director's seat, he just, switch on that button to you put. So he comes in that mode. Lovely people, and the thing is that Ishwar sir is famous for his comedy timing, and I think it actually shows in the movie. So it's a comedy entertainment, everybody will enjoy it, everybody will have fun. So please do come and watch on 15th July Selfie Raja. You'll really have fun.
Na Peru Kamna Singh Ranawat. I hail from Himachal Pradesh. I was born in Shimla, and now I'm based in Mumbai. So I come from an army background. As far as my work is concerned, I've done few commercials, and I have done theatre as well, and I just wrapped up my second film, and which was just yesterday, and I could not come initially for the promotions because I was just completing that. And Selfie Raja is my first Telugu film, and I'm really glad that I got a chance to work in Telugu film. So yeah, Selfie Raja is my first Telugu film, and I'm really happy and glad to be working in the Telugu industry. And since it's my first film, but the kind of affection and respect that I've got as an artist is something that I'll never forget. And I'm really really thankful to Chaudhary sir and Ishwar sir for giving me this wonderful opportunity. And it was really amazing working with Naresh. It was a wonderful opportunity working opposite him. He's a wonderful person and he's a very, very good actor. He's very hardworking, and I'm sure it's going to pay off, definitely. We all have really worked hard for this project. And Selfie Raja, the film, it's a family entertainer. There's a lot of drama in it, and it's completely hilarious, and there's also romance in it, and the music is wonderful. The music is very energetic, so I'm really thankful to Karthik sir for creating such a wonderful music for the film. And I request all the movie goers, please go ahead and watch this film. I'm sure you will get rejuvenated, definitely, for coming here. Thanks so much.
Thank you.